There is clear proof in front of us that XRP is making a big move. If you have been keeping up with XRP, you already know that a big event has been building up, but is now about to happen. But the real question is this the start? Is there about to be a breakout that would send XRP to new all-time highs? Recent market data and trends show that this move isn't random. It's part of a bigger change that could make things very different for people who own XRP. In a few minutes, we'll talk about the specific causes that are causing this price change, why the evidence is so strong, and where XRP might go from here. You'll know why XRP's most important moment may be coming up by the end of this movie. After weeks of building up speed, we can now see the results for XRP in real time. There are signs in the market that a rise might happen. The price is changing and the number of trades is growing. But what is causing this sudden change? Let's break it down. A big reason for the shift of XRP is that institutions are buying it up. Big investors, who are sometimes called whale investors, have been buying XRP in secret, which shows that they think the asset has a lot of promise. In the past, when institutions start to raise their holdings, prices often go up by a lot. Also, regulators need to be clear, which has been one of XRP's biggest problems in the past. Because Ripple has recently won important court decisions against the SEC, it is more likely that XRP will be labeled as a non-security. It is revolutionary that banks, hedge funds, and payment processors can now trade in XRP without worrying about what the law says. As faith in XRP grows, so does demand. Price rises also happen when demand goes up. More and more financial companies are also starting to use it. Ripple has already teamed up with hundreds of banks and payment companies around the world, and new partnerships keep popping up. Each time a new financial institution adds XRP to its system, it gives the currency more credibility and usefulness. The question is whether this is just a short-term rise or the start of something much bigger. To find the answer, we need to see the proof, which we will do next. There are signs all over the place. The price of XRP does not just go up and down randomly. There are clear signs that this breakout is just getting started. When you look at the facts, it's clear that big players are acting. After that, small buyers usually come next. First, let's talk about info that is on the chain. Recent sources say that the amount of trading and liquidity in XRP have been steadily going up. This means that more people are buying and that large amounts of XRP are being moved between platforms. This is a common sign that institutions are getting ready for something big. After this, the prices of many other coins often go through the roof. Next is attention from institutions. Large banking institutions have looked into XRP and added it to payment networks. By working with foreign banks, payment systems, and even central banks, Ripple has shown that XRP can be used in real life. XRP has a clear goal, while many other coins are based on guesswork. International transfers that are quick and cheap. Now big money is starting to see that possibility. Another important thing to think about is how clear the rules are. The cryptocurrency market has been paying close attention to the legal disagreement between Ripple and the Each win for Ripple gets rid of another thing that was stopping people from using XRP. More money is moving into XRP as investors get ready for the future. This is because Ripple is winning cases and institutions are becoming more confident. But things get even more exciting after this. Technical research says that XRP is just starting a much bigger move. The charts show bullish signs, so if XRP breaks through important resistance levels, a price jump that shocks a lot of buyers could happen. What is going to happen next with XRP? Is there going to be a big rally that takes it to all-time highs? The next part will talk about price predictions and professional views. How much higher can XRP go now that we know for sure that its breakout is just beginning? Using fundamental analysis, the use by institutions, and market trends as guides, A lot of big statements are being made by professionals. Analysts think that XRP could soon break through important support levels and reach $1.50 to $2. Recent price changes show that momentum is growing. If XRP keeps making ground, there may be a rally like those seen during previous bull runs. Some investors think it would be easy for XRP to hit its all-time high of $3.84 if Bitcoin leads another crypto market surge. But what about predictions for the future? Experts think that XRP could go over $10 and even go up even more if institutions continue to buy it and the government makes it clear what the rules are. Some people even think that XRP's price could go up to $50 or more if it becomes a big market player. The reasoning makes sense. As long as there is a fixed amount, the price will have to go up if banks and other big businesses fully use XRP for transactions. A financial expert recently said that XRP's speed and liquidity make it a great bridge currency for central banks. If Ripple is able to work with foreign financial networks, the number of people using cryptocurrencies could reach a level that has never been seen before. When banks started to back Bitcoin, its value went from a few $1,000s to more than $60,000. Will XRP do the same? Even though the market is unstable and nothing is certain, one thing is certain: XRP is in a great position to grow quickly. Also, the next few months could be very important. What should people who own XRP watch out for next? Let's look at the most important events and signs that could be used to predict the next big move in XRP. As XRP continues to gain steam, the next few months will be very important for its price. A few important events could decide whether XRP continues its breakout or runs into temporary opposition. If you have XRP, keep an eye on these things. First and foremost, choices made by regulators will be very important. The last parts of Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC are coming up. Institutional investors may also put a lot of money into XRP if Ripple wins the case or gets a good deal. If one of the main things stopping XRP from being widely used was taken away, big banks, hedge funds, and even governments would be able to use it on a large scale. Second, more work with Ripple could change the rules. Ripple already has partnerships with hundreds of banks all over the world. However, if they say they have a big deal with a central bank or a big foreign payment network, XRP's value could go through the roof. More banks may start to accept XRP, which could make it more valuable. Another important thing to think about is the general direction of the market. The cryptocurrency market used to be led by Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we start a new bull run, XRP could see a huge boost in its value. Analysts think that if Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, XRP may go above its previous record price of $3.84. After this, institutional buyers and whales start to act. Big buyers have already bought a lot of XRP. Also, if more whale wallets are filling up with XRP, it's a clear sign that big players think the price will go up quickly. When big institutions start to buy, retail investors usually follow. This makes price spikes happen fast. Finally, pay close attention to changes that happen with central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs.